You have to install these locks and you don't know how. I'm going to show you a little bit, at least how to do the basics. So that way if you have a shop like that, you can do it yourself. In order to remove these lockers, so what you have to do is remove the screw that you have here, and over there as well. And once you are able to do that, you should be able to remove all those boxes, and it would be ideal to use these straps. And as you can see, here we have the machine. We just plug in the battery backup, so that way if there is an outage, the machines will still work. And these are the units. So here you have to type the code and you have access. You can unlock them all up, or you can just unlock whatever you need. In this case, if you do just the bottom and the top, you should be good. So that is basically how you do this. This here you have the holes here as well, and basically that's it. So this is like a two-man's job. So that is how you open them up. You put the code, and you will see status starting. Here you have my tools that we left in one of them, so that was a good thing. So now we will have to keep working, so that way we can add the rest of the bolts. As you can see here, we have all the boards. We just installed the UPS, so the battery backup. So here we have the motherboard that controls. This is a small computer. We have the screen on the other side. You type the code and then you open just your lock. Also you have a camera, so everything is being recorded. And over there you have a logic board that will control every lock mechanism that you have here. So that way you can open, you can lock and unlock every box that you see over here. So basically, this is how it works.